T1 Tomahawk Tape Measure Reekon Tools. This revolutionary tool redefines productivity with its advanced digital measurement technology. As the first ever professional-grade digital tape measure, it empowers workers to record measurements more swiftly and accurately than ever before. With just a simple button press, the measurements are recorded and displayed on an e-paper screen attached to the side. The T1's design has been completely revamped for enhanced ergonomics, making it not just easy but also comfortable to grasp. A stainless steel belt clip allows for effortless attachment to your belt or toolbox. This nifty tool can record distances up to 50 feet or 15.25 meters with its laser tape measure, and 16 feet or 4.8 meters with the physical tape measure. It displays imperial and metric, making it an incredibly convenient tool. Brush grubber. If you've ever taken on the task of clearing out brush or small trees from your property, you're well aware of the frustration that often comes with it. However, with the help of this unique chain system, troublesome vegetation doesn't stand a chance. The brush grubber is a robust jaw that clamps onto undergrowth and small trees, including stumps, and effectively yanks them out completely with roots. Equipped with 4 to 6 foot long anti-slip grip links, or 1.2 to 1.8 meters, this clump tugger has the ability to grasp and handle clusters of small trees, brushes, and willows up to 21 inches or 53 centimeters in circumference. No longer do you need to strain yourself in pursuit of a beautiful landscape. Simply start up your ATV or lawnmower, connect your chain system, and tackle the issue at its root using the brush grubber shrub. It's a fun way to maintain your yard without breaking a sweat. BaSt-Ing Valfast. This powerful spindle wedge has made the laborious and lengthy process of cleaving trees obsolete. It's crafted in a way that allows you to ditch your axe or sledgehammer at home. The design is primarily tailored for compatibility with an impact wrench. However, it can be conveniently wielded with a ratchet whenever necessary. The sturdy wedge can be affixed either remotely or manually onto a tree notch and driven through, thus splitting and toppling the tree in one swift motion. It has the ability to lift 57,320 pounds or 25,000 kilograms with a peak lift height of 3.2 inches or 8 centimeters at a manageable 13.3 pounds or 5.9 kilograms in weight. The BaSt-Ing can be operated smoothly solo. This certainly isn't just your average tree toppling tech. With the Valfast, you're getting a high-powered, adrenaline-pumping experience that turns even the most daunting forestry tasks into an exhilarating adventure. Krokolijn. The Krokolijn is a product of the Netherlands and is an aid designed to streamline the process of laying lines for roads or foundations. This is achieved through the easy placement of a wire across multiple devices. This handy gadget can be attached securely to most metallic bars and rods, thus providing an increase in height. Also, its rib design facilitates the secure attachment of measuring wires. Utilizing the Krokolijn in your operations can lead to 10 minutes saved for every 164 feet or 40 meters of line placed, representing a time efficiency of 50%. Moreover, it eradicates the need for end users to employ bricks in their activities. Ultimately, this results in a significant reduction in labor, around 154 pounds or 70 kilograms of lifting work saved when placing 164 feet or 50 meters of line. Concealed Hinge Jig. This is your secret weapon in flawlessly fitting cabinet doors using hidden hinges. It serves as a steady anchor for 1.4-inch or 35.5mm concealed hinges, easily secured in place. The drill hole should be perfectly aligned over the hinge, and then you just attach your everyday handheld drill, clip it in place, and start drilling the hinge. Included is a carbide-tipped drill, bit precisely in the right place, drilling to the ideal depth every time, all thanks to a handy depth stop collar. It even has guided holes that you can use to navigate a drill bit for hinge screw holes. The Hinge Jig offsets are available in a variety from 0.12 to 0.24 inches or 3 to 6 millimeters, making it the ideal way to remove stress when installing cabinet doors. Zircon ExitPoint XL500. Zircon has turned the usually mundane task of finding exit points into a fun, gadget-driven game. This piece of tech not only locates your exit points with ease, but it also tells you how deep they are in the material. Talk about a 2-for-1 deal. So why settle for less when you can have an entertaining experience with your work? Courtesy of Zircon's ingenious innovation, the exit point has an uncanny ability to scan through non-metallic surfaces, adding a dash of magic to your everyday tasks. Think of it as your personal treasure detector, nosing out the perfect spot spot for that screw or nail. Whether you're an experienced handy person or a DIY newbie, this is a must-have tool. Roller stand tough built. The standard chrome roller is the perfect companion for your heavy-duty woodworking, gliding with grace under pressure and turning even the toughest tasks into a breeze. But if innovation is what you're after, then make way for the V-Roller stand. Its unique design not only makes it a standout piece in any workshop, but also enhances maneuverability considerably. This stand is designed to support large materials such as planks, sheets, and panels, providing them with stability and ease of movement along its roller. In addition to this, the height of the rollers can be adjusted to suit your needs, ranging from a modest 27 inches all the way up to a towering 43 inches or 68.6 to 110 centimeters. Festool Univers SSU 200. The Festool Univers SSU 200 is a nifty invention from the Dutch and is a unique saw that can be clamped downwards. It boasts a cutting depth ranging from 7.8 to 13 inches or 200 to 330 millimeters and tips the scales somewhere between 14 and 15.4 pounds or 6.5 to 7 kilograms. This clever tool is approximately 30% lighter than your average circular saw, making it a featherweight in its class. But don't let its lightweight fool you. Fitted with an integrated guide rail and an adjustable degree modifier, it packs some serious functionality, perfect for slicing through stubborn insulating materials such as wooden fiberboards, PUR, and polystyrene. It's the ideal tool for those tough jobs that need a bit of finesse. The door stud. Despite its moniker, the door stud is not designed to secure or prop up already mounted doors. Rather, it's a clever tool designed to ease the transportation of detached, unfixed doors, reducing the potential hassles and hazards typically associated with door carrying. The stud is a true game changer for those who love efficiency and ease. Its dynamic design means no more huffing and puffing to move heavy items. Simply slide the item into one of the two slots and let the wheels do the work. But it's not all about transportation. That lock feature transforms the stud into a handy workstation too. So next time you're wrestling with a cumbersome load, the stud is ready to roll in and save the day. Metmogrip. This innovative reinterpretation of a classic piece of engineering is designed to cater to the needs of the contemporary era. It serves a dual purpose, working as both an engaging gadget to fiddle with and a functional tool that can apply forceful clamping power. Constructed as a self-locking, versatile monkey wrench, it boasts a robust design comprising of enhanced stainless steel and a sturdy 6061 aluminum adjuster. This unique tool embraces varying clamp sizes, from the tiny 0.02 to 0.86 inches, or 0.5 to 22 millimeters. It also proudly sports a universal clamp and a steel jaw. The Metmogrip provides convenience and portability, as it can be fastened onto a belt using a loop or attached with Velcro strips. Siligun. Siligun delivers a resolution to a long-standing issue by offering the most compact, featherweight, no-leak sealant applicator for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The reduced size enables it to penetrate even the most inaccessible areas, such as behind the toilet, with an impressive length of just 4 inches or 10 centimeters, and a mere weight of 10.5 ounces or 300 grams. It makes waterproofing and gluing tricky spots a breeze. Most conventional larger sealant guns can never reach these tricky spots. The process is as easy as inserting the silicone tube and squeezing the trigger. Loading and unloading take mere moments, and with its drip-free technology, you're guaranteed a neat and clean job. Carton Ninja. Welcome to the exhilarating world of the Carton Ninja. This little tool will have you slicing and dicing cardboard like a pro, making your shipping duties a breeze. With every swift movement, watch as it transforms your oversized boxes into perfectly sized packages, ready for dispatch. The Carton Ninja isn't just a tool, it's a box-busting sidekick in the never-ending saga of packaging needs. With its ability to tango with sizes ranging from a miniature 0.5 to 13 inches, or 1.3 centimeters to 30.5 centimeters. It's like having a superhero in your toolkit. Its versatility is comparable to a chameleon, adapting seamlessly to every task at hand. So next time you're facing a mountain of boxes, make sure you have a Carton Ninja at hand. RYOBI USB Lithium Foam Cutter. Welcome to the Lithium Foam Cutter, your new tool for cutting, shaping, and shaving any type of foam. With a quick heat-up time of less than 2 minutes, this gadget is always ready to get the job done. What's more, it offers dual heating settings that allow you to tweak the temperature to suit the requirements of your project. This fabulous kit comes with 3 distinctive foam slicer tips, suitable for a range of uses. It's especially handy when rejuvenating furniture with upholstery, foam, or when doing some artsy DIY with styrofoam. The precision engraving tip also helps you add intricate details or textures to your designs. And if that isn't enough, there is also a holding tip that comes in handy when you need to cut out various shapes or bore holes. Tera Pump Trep 01 TXL. The Tera pump doesn't just sit pretty at 9.8 feet or 3 meters long. It's the life of the party, pumping a battery-operated gusto that turns any mundane task into a hoot. Its versatility is matched only by its vivacious spirit, turning even the most skeptical into believers of convenient pumping. You'll soon find yourself reaching for this pump again and again due to its amazing usefulness. Its primary function is to effortlessly handle a variety of liquids, everything from simple H2O to complex agricultural chemicals, and even oil. Be it drawing in or pumping out these fluids, this handy device takes it all in stride. If you love this video, click on the video on the right of the screen for more content like this.